What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Wellesley Vlogs here, back again with another banger. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, join the most savage family on YouTube, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. All my social media are down on the screen right now, go check them out. First thing I want to tell you guys, you're wondering, wait a minute, didn't you just upload a video today? Yes, I did, guys, and that was a banger. Go check it out. Link in the description down below for that, or on the title card, as you can see right there. Second thing I wanted to tell you guys is that I'll be recording for tomorrow. I'll do this intro right now, and I don't have to worry about it in the morning. Next thing I want to tell you guys is at the end of my videos there is a big subscribe button that was in the middle of the screen. Make sure to hover over my symbol for YouTube and then hit the subscribe button, or if you're on PC version you can click on that, or you can go in the corner right there. There's a logo, just hover straight over it and hit the subscribe button. Also, the screen at the outro is my previous video and my random video. As I said before, link in the description will be down below for those, and on the title cards that just come up on the screen. So tomorrow, guys, I'll be going to Charlestown just to get my camera. I'm so keen for it. I'll be going to JB Hi-Fi. So pretty much today or tonight and tomorrow is my last day that I'm going to be using this phone right here. And it's kind of like sad, but at the same time exciting, because this is the end of the chapter for using my phone, and a new chapter to using my camera, which I'm pretty keen about because it'd be much better quality maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure, guys, don't quote me on that. Comment down below, go back, watch this, and then watch the next part when I'm actually using my camera, and tell me in the comment section below what you really think of the quality. Link in the description down below for all my equipment that I'm getting, also if you want to get it yourself. Also, when I get home, guys, I'll be pretty much gonna unbox it for you guys, set it all up, and make sure everything's working properly, and I'll see how it goes. So I'm just gonna stop the camera here, and I'll see you guys when I'm at Charlestown Square. Alright, guys, so I've actually decided to go to Katara at Charlestown because I think it'd be much better for me to go to Katara to actually get the thing I need to get. So I'm just going to stop the video here, and I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I came back from Katara. I couldn't obviously record for different reasons, but I ended up getting a different camera because the other one is not as good as quality as this one I have right now. I'll show it to you guys a little bit later on. Also, I couldn't get the microphone because it doesn't have a port for the thing, and I'm lucky that I didn't buy it, else I wouldn't be able to use it. But I also got the tripod, and I got myself a memory card, so I'll be able to like store it on there, and you know, be able to put it on my computer in front of me. So right now I'm just gonna stop the video here, and I'm gonna unbox the thing for you. Alright, guys, so right now I got this stuff right here in this bag. I'm gonna pull it out right now and unbox. So instead of me getting the Canon EOS 1500D, I have got the Nikon D3500, which is much better in quality, and let's do this. Also, I got this SD card for it, which is pretty cool. Here's the warranties for both the body and for the lens of it. These are the instructions. We have here the charger for it, the strap, which I'll probably use, the battery, the actual lens to it, which I'll show you in a sec, and last but not least, the body. So right now I'm just gonna check them all out. This is the lens right here. Pretty cool looking thing. And here's the body of the Nikon. It's pretty cool. The cap that you just screw off. And voila, we have the Nikon, which is cool because look at that. I don't have the battery in, so I'm going to put it in right now. I think it needs charging, so this is what it looks like. It's a pretty smooth looking camera, and look at the lens, boys. Look at that. That looks awesome. I can zoom in and out whenever I want, or I can press this little button here and you push it, and you push like so, and it goes in. That's really cool, guys. So right now I'm just gonna stop the camera here and I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the tripod on. Alright guys, so this is the tripod here. Really cool. There's the Gorilla Pod. Very interesting. So obviously that's what it looks like. Let's see if it goes well with this. Oh wow, that's awesome, guys. Look at that. I'll bring my camera up. So look at that. That looks awesome, guys. Like, holy hell, that's awesome. So right now, that's what it looks like on the tripod. It's pretty lightweight. It actually holds it really well. That's pretty much the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, smash that like button as always. See you guys in the next video. Peace.